Hello everyone, welcome back to our PostgreSQL tutor series. So today just we're going to explore for how to create table in the PostgreSQL. It's a fundamental aspect of database management. Okay. So first of all, the first segment for the understanding the PostgreSQL create table statement. Okay. So first of all, you're creating table in the PostgreSQL is a crucial step in designing a database schema, and the table defined for the structure of your table for the data, including the column and their data type. So now just let's explore for how it's work with some example. So here in this session, I am again used for the SQL Server Management Studio and apply for the PostgreSQL data query. Okay. So now just start. So first of all here, I'm first example starting with a create a company table with a ID as a primary key and the not null. Are the concept showing that this field cannot be null while creating the record in this the table. Okay. So now just going here and first of all here just I'm type this is a create table. Okay, so this is the create table, and the use for the create table name, suppose like this is a company. Okay, and here I'm create a parenthesis, and in this inside I'll insert for the some column information. So first of all, I'm type on ID. Okay, so ID this is integer for it's called the primary key. Okay, and here I'm define this is a not null. So next step here I'm also create the name column. So name this is a text. Okay. And this is a not null. Okay. And here I'm also create this is the age column. So age is a integer type and it's both for the not null. Okay. And next step for the another column this is a address. Okay. So ADDREES address. And here the address, this is the character type, and here I'm used for the character of 15. Okay. And also here I'm create this is a salary columns, the salary, this is a real. Okay. So here is a completely create this is a new table for the company table. And now just here I am select and execute and I am expected for the confirmation message show for in the display. Okay, so just I'm select and then execute, and you can see here this command is completely successful, and here it will create show the message for the command is completely successful. Okay, so I hope you're understanding. And now so let us create one more table, and which we will use our exercise in the subsequent chapter creator. So here I'll create another table. So now just going for the new query open, and here first of all, just type here is a create table statements, a table name, just like the department. Okay. So define it perfectly the department, and here I'm create the parenthesis, and in this inside I'm create for the message suppose like. So first of all, here I'm just type integer for the ID. This is a primary key. Okay. And here is a not null. And next step here and create this is a depth. Okay, so depth for this is a character type, and here insert for the character is a 50, and here is a this is both the not null. And now here and create also for define, so it's not here first is the first is the ID, then is the integer. Okay, so this one is a perfect, and here and create for the employee ID, so EMP underscore the ID. So it is a integer type for this is a not null. Okay. So now here is a completely defined this, and here I create for the onward table, and here now just I am select, and here is a perfectly I expected for the department table is all completely created now. Okay. So now just I am select and execute, and you can see here this command is completely successful because in this department table is completely created. Okay. And you can verify for here use for perfectly create this table and has been created successfully, and you use the /d command, and which will be used to list down all the table in the attached database. Okay, so now just verify, just try. So here I'm create another new query, and first of all here I'm just type the select star from, here I'm just create the company table. Okay, and for the semicolon, just on select all and then execute, and you can see here the perfectly create for the ID, name is, and address column. And here I create for the one more table name, suppose like the department. Okay, so department, and now here is a completely create. I'm just going to verify in this department table. So here I'm create for in the execute, and you can see here is a create for the three tables, so for three column. So first is the ID, department, and the employee ID. Okay. So here in this session, I'll completely create for the two table for use the PostgreSQL for the data query. Okay. So here in this session is completely done, and you'll have it and perfect overview of creating table in PostgreSQL and some practical example. So I hope you perfectly understanding in this session. So thank you for watching and happy coding. Okay.